Good morning, student. In previous class, we studied about force applied at between multiple charges and principle of superposition. According to principle of superposition, according to principle of superposition, if there is a system which contains n charges, a system which contains n charges, then the with n charges, then the force applied at one charge by all other charges is equal to the addition of force by Coulomb's law in vector form. It is called principle of superposition. If there have n charges, then F equal to K Q0 Q1 upon में R01 square R01 cap plus K Q0 Q2 upon में R02 square R02 cap, same K Q0 Qn upon में R0n square R0n. This is the force which is applied at one charges of the system which contain n charges by principle of superposition. The next topic is quantization of charge. And what is quantization of charge? Our next topic is quantization of charge. What is quantization of charge? These are topics are the part of main topic which is basic properties of electric charge. This is the main topic, and in this topic we study about additivity of electric charge, Coulomb's law, principle of superposition, and next quantization of charge. These all are the part of basic properties of electric charge. And what is quantization of charge? Then let us consider we have a body. We have a body with some charge. Then, according to quantization of charge, we calculate the total charge of the body with the help of electrons. In the rule is quantization of charge. In this, if we have a body, then the total charge of the body is calculated by the number of electrons in the body. According to quantization of charge, if we have a body, then the total charge of the body is equal to multiply the electronic charge, multiply the electronic charge by number of electrons which is available in the body. And it is called quantization of charge. कि if we have a body, then the total charge of the body which we have is equal to multiply of electronic charge. What is electronic charge? The electronic charge is represented by E, and the electronic charge is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge of electron. This is the charge of electron, and it is the magnitude of electronic charge. It is the magnitude of electronic charge because the electronic charge is negative in nature. The electronic charge is negative in nature. Here, if we have a body, then the total charge of the body is equal to multiply the electronic charge by number of electrons which is available in the body. Means if we have 5 electrons in the body, then multiply 5 by the charge of electrons, then it is equal to the total charge of the body. The formula of quantization of charge is Q equal to Ne. This is the formula, Q equal to Ne. The formula is Q equal to Ne. Here Q, N and E. Q represent total charge of the body. Total charge of the body is represented by Q. N equal to number of electrons. Number of electrons. And E equal to charge of electron. Or which is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge of electron. It is the formula of quantization of charge. By help of this formula, we calculate the total charge available at the body. With the help of this formula, Q equal to Ne. Here Q represent the total charge of the body and represent the number of electrons which is available in the body, and E represent charge of electron which is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. इसके लिए एग्जांपल करते हैं न्यूमेरिकल्स. लेट अस कंसीडर द फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल. Numericals. A body is charged by 1 coulomb charge. Then calculate the electrons available at the body. This is the numerical. A body is charged by 1 coulomb charge. Then calculate the electrons available at the body. Here given. Total charge of the body Q equal to 1 coulomb. And the charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19. This is fixed. The charge of electron is fixed, and Q equal to 1 coulomb is given in the question. We have to calculate the number of electrons available at the body. Then according to quantization of charge, according to quantization of charge, Q equal to NA. Put the values in the formula which is given. Q equal to 1 coulomb, then 1 equal to n equal to number of electrons into E means 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. Here also coulomb and here also coulomb से coulomb हो गया. We have to calculate the number of electrons means n equal to 1 upon में 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19. When the power is below in the divide and we take the power in above position, then the power changes. If the power is negative in present, then he convert into positive, and if the power is positive, then it convert into negative. n equal to 1 into नीचे पावर कैसी है माइनस की, ऊपर जाके कैसी हो जाएगी पॉजिटिव, अपॉन में 1.6. अब देखो n इक्वल डेसिमल 1 अपॉन में 1.6 into 10 की पावर 9. हो गया. डेसिमल था अपने पास, बेटा डेसिमल को चेंज करो. डेसिमल यहां से हटा, यानी कि 10 अपॉन में 16 into 10 की पावर 9. डिवाइड कर दो 2 से, करो 5 10 and this is 8 10. 5 अपॉन में 8 into 10 की पावर 9. इसको कैलकुलेट करो आगे. 2 0 8 6 48 6 times, then 2 tens into 10 की पावर 9. This is the number of electrons which is available at the body or which is necessary at the body to charge it by 1 coulomb. Means if we charge the body by 1 coulomb, then we put 0.62 into 10 की power 19 electrons at the body, then it is charged by 1 coulomb charge. The next numerical is a body is charged by 5 microcoulomb charge. 5 microcoulomb charge. Then calculate the electrons available at the body. This is our next number 2 numerical. Here the charge available is 5 microcoulomb. The symbol of micro is this. This is the symbol of micro, and coulomb this. Remember one thing. In numerical, the charge is always in the form of coulomb, and here the charge is in microcoulomb form. Then convert the microcoulomb into coulomb. Convert कर दो. Micro means 10 की power minus 6 coulomb. Okay. ये इक्वल टू ये अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. अब हमें फॉर्मूले में क्या रखनी है, वैल्यू रखनी है. रखो बेटा फॉर्मूले में वैल्यू. जब हम फॉर्मूले में वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो अपने पास क्या आएगा, कर दो फॉर्मूले में वैल्यू पुट कर दो, Q इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 6 कूलम इक्वल टू एन कैलकुलेट करना है इंटू E द चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1.6 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 19. दिस इज द चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हियर n इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 6 अपॉन में 1.6 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 19. पावर नीचे माइनस की ऊपर जाके कैसी होगी, प्लस की कर दो, n इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन में 1.6 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 6 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 19. If same bases are in multiply, then the power of all bases are added. Here नीचे माइनस की ऊपर जाके कैसी हो गई, पॉजिटिव. Then n इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन में 1.6 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 6 प्लस 19. कैलकुलेट करो इसको, n इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन में 1.6 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 30. ओके, इसको आगे सोल्व करो, ये आएगा 15 अपॉन में 50 अपॉन में 60, डेसिमल यहां से हमने चेंज कर दिया, हटा दिया, इंटू 10 की पावर प्लस की 30. प्लस का पॉजिटिव 19 था अपने पास, यहां पर कर दो इसको सोल्व. कितनी बार जाएगा, 3 टाइम्स, कितने बचे, 2 बचे, 1 टाइम्स इंटू 10 की पावर 30. सोल्व करने पर ये आ गई वैल्यू. मींस वी हैव टू पुट 3.1 into 10 की पावर 13 इलेक्ट्रॉन to charge the body by 5 microcoulomb charges. आया कुछ? This is also the numerical of quantization of charge. The next numerical of this type is a body is charged by 10 millicoulomb. 10 millicoulomb charge, then calculate. At this time the charge is 10 millicoulomb, means यहाँ पे आएगा 10 millicoulomb. milli, remember when we calculate the numericals, when we take the numericals, then the charge is always in coulomb form. Here the charge in millicoulomb form, then convert into in coulomb form. Convert 10 into milli means 10 की पावर माइनस 3. सेम फॉर्मूला, वैल्यू पुट करोगे तो वैल्यू पुट करने पर देखो क्या आएगा अपने पास. जब यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट होगी, Q इक्वल टू कितना है, 10 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 3 इक्वल टू n इंटू E इक्वल टू 1.6 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 9. Here calculate the value of n by dividing and numeric value. This topic, quantization of electric charge, is finished. In next class we study the next topic. Thank you.